Hi everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks for stopping by and visiting with me today. I hope you're having a great Saturday. I've got a cute project to share with you using this adorable new stamp set that I just got for free at On Stage. I went in Milwaukee last weekend. It was a blast. This is a darling new stamp set called Animal Outing, and I love the way they have redesigned and kind of color revamped so much. It's been all the talk here on YouTube, but they're going with a black and white, making things very visually appealing and easy to see, to spot what you're looking for amongst your collection. So I'm really thrilled to see some of these changes, and I hope you guys are too. So I'm going to be using the Clearmount stamp set. This is called Animal Outing. It's going to make super cute cards, baby cards, thinking of you, welcome, anything. I love this kind of stuff. And so for today's card, I am going to be using this adorable rhinoceros. And I think he's super cute because he's got a little bird on his nose. Eee! Darling. All right, so that is the stamp set we're going to use. I just can't stop looking at it. It's so cute. And I want to go through stuff that I got with you guys, but I don't know. I mean, I keep seeing the same things here on YouTube, and it's like, do I want to? So let me know. But this is the darling card we're going to make today, using the little rhinoceros. It says thank you big time, which is super cute. And then I used the Coffee Series Designer Series paper down here, and I'm also using my leaf punch. So that is the card I'm going to show you how to put together today. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I am using Pear Pizzazz. This is a standard A2 size card. I'm using Pear Pizzazz. I'm also using my square framelits for this. And from my square framelits, I am using, and these are in no particular order, these two. I want to say they're the largest or second largest finlet that is the plain edge, and then I'm using the second largest scalloped edge. And I'll have numbers to all of this for you listed down below this video in the description box. And then on my coordinating blog post, if you want to head over to thehappystamper.com, I'll have the measurements there as well for you. So we're going to be using a standard A2 size card. This is in Pear Pizzazz. I'm using my Whisper White. I cut my scallop piece of Pear Pizzazz. I'm using Early Espresso. And then I have a piece, as I mentioned earlier, of it comes from the Coffee Cafe Designer Series paper. And look at how cute the paper is on the back. It's like a jungle theme with the leaves. I guess it's like cocoa beans, but hey, they could be coconuts, they could be anything, but this is adorable. So, you know, don't forget that your paper has two sides. So yeah, let's just get started, okay? I'm going to just put this Designer Series piece on the front here and get this part all put together, because that's kind of the fun part for me. I love that part. Yippee! Great colors, great colors. Soft Sky goes with this as well. I'm going to attach this to the front. And I'm also going to be using our adhesive foam dots, if I didn't mention that, to pop it up. All right, so that's our card base. How super easy is that? Where did I put my foam dots? Oh, there they are. My desk is a mess, you guys. It is so bad. Coming back from On Stage with all of the goodies, all of the swap cards. Oh my gosh, it's bad. It's bad. All right, so let's get down to it. Let's get some stamping going on here. I'm using my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to stamp my rhinoceros down in the left hand, off to the left side here like so. I'm putting my sentiment in the corner over there, so that's why I want it off a little bit. Now, I did not have my Pear Pizzazz ink pad, so I'm using my ink spot. This comes in Paper Pumpkin, so I love that. You know, I may not have everything, but that's okay. I can make it work. All right, I'm going to stamp. Thank you, big time. All right, let's get down to it. Let's get down to it. All right, I do not have the stamping blends either. Let me zoom in here a little for you. So I am going to use my Copic and do some Copic coloring for you. I tried several different varieties of coloring. This was one, this was one, this was another one. This was the best, okay? So I tried everything from coloring with my crumb cake color and my brush to coloring directly with my crumb cake Stampin' Right marker. That didn't work very well. I tried a variety of things here. I tried my colored pencil. This was colored pencil and my water thing. So what I found was the best option here for coloring that gave the best results, I felt, was the alcohol markers, and that would be the stamping blends, which I don't know about you guys, but I tried ordering them during Celebration and they were all out, and I guess I'm kind of grateful for that because they have revamped the colors. So now when they come back in, and they should be back in if they aren't already, I haven't checked yet this week. I did just place an order though the other day. Now we can get the new colors. So I'm just going over some of the dark spots to darken it up a little bit. But stamping blends will give you the same effect because they are, in fact, alcohol-based markers. And that's what you really need to get the dimension and, you know, just they color like none other. I am so excited to get them. But I do have the Copics, and so I'm just going to use that. But that's what I would use, and I plan on using in the near future when they come in. Okay, since I do not have Pear Pizzazz, I'm going to bring in my handy dandy, very expensive little package, clear packaging. I'm going to use my little stamping spot again, and my water brush. And I am just going to mix up my color here, get it nice and diluted, just the way I like it. And then I am going to come in and make little grass. And this guy is sitting in the grass. Yeah, he's enjoying the grass with his little friend. And he's very happy. And so, yeah, this just gives a great little grass effect. All right. Oh my God. You could see my desk, you guys. You'd be like, Gail, I know, it's so bad. But it is what it is. And I'm trying to get it cleaned up. I just can't seem to do it yet. Make sure you wipe that off to keep it clean. I am going to be using Marina Mist. I do not have Soft Sky. And this, I wanted to be a little bit brighter of a blue. Soft Sky is what's in the DSP, which is short for Designer Series Paper. And I don't have that color. But you know what? You can dilute it. All right, let me zoom back out here, you guys. Don't want to make you sick, y'all. And let's get this on the back. I can't wait for the stamping blends to get in. I am so anxious to get those. I colored with them at On Stage. I've used them at get-togethers with the team, and they're the bomb. They really are. They're fantastic, and they make it super simple to do. Look how cute he is. I love this guy. But I'm a big animal lover. I don't know if you guys are. I am. I feed this squirrel every day in my yard. Yeah, I'm a huge animal lover. All right, so let's put our cute guy here. And then lastly, I'm coming in with the leaf punch. I'm going to punch out just one leaf. Add a little bit of glue, and that is it. That is it. And I'm just going to put that little leaf down here. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. HappyStamper.com. Check it out. All right, so there you have it. How stinking adorable is that? Just the cutest ever. I love it. So there you have it, you guys. That is how you put together a darling, darling card. This is using Animal Outing. I'm trying to get myself straight here. Animal Outing. I can't wait to make more cards with this. I have another really great set that I got. I've got an order coming. Oh, it's just all goodness. So I hope you like this project. As always, great big hugs from me to you. If you would like to purchase any products, not necessarily these are not available yet for you guys, just head over to my blog. You'll see a shop now or shop 24/7. You can click that. It'll take you right over to my online store, and you can make any purchase you would like. Make sure if your order is under $150, use the current hostess code, which you'll see in the top right corner of my blog, and you will get a free gift from me, which will include a fun little kit. So thanks for visiting with me today. I adore you guys. Thank you so much for all of your wonderful comments, and yeah, you guys make me happy. You rock. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.